Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today we will continue working on a fine cashmere shirt for all occasions. Its color and shape are absolutely universal, so it will be a great addition to any look. Dress, skirt, or jeans, it doesn't matter. In the last release, we modeled our product. Today, I will show our mastery of careful cutting. Fabrics such as cashmere with silk require very delicate handling. You must be careful and take your time. Please be patient. It is important that the yoke of the front and back of the garment matches when sweeping. Also be careful when sweeping the plank. It has a bevel towards the top. When you try on a shirt, you will see how beautiful the yoke looks, turning into a one-piece sleeve. This shirt is ideal for such a unique fabric. Slim shirt for everyday wearing. Beige goes well with everything. I hope you know this. I did the modeling already. Now I will cut it.
Все помним, что не люблю большие швы по горловине ростку.
When you need such a narrow detail, you don't need to cut it exactly. I will cut out more and only then cut it out for sure.
Спинка у нас состоит из кокетки. Центральной части спины со сгибом.
Remember that I am not adding to the bottom. Such a thin fabric, cashmere with silk, requires careful handling. It needs to be cut carefully.
Достаточно длины я брала побольше.
We cut out all the details. We must always think carefully during modeling and cutting, so that after that we don't have to think about unnecessary things and there will be no problems for us. The dart with the sleeve and the yoke. I'm going to cut it out behind the camera.
Спинка, центр спины.
Look at the table. I connect the center to the center, face to the face. The first pin is center to center. We make sure that nothing is collected. Everything is the same. Now I will sweep the first side. Now I will sweep away. Fitting will be soon.
Первая булавочка центр с центром. Мне приятно, что вы пишете. Теперь я все делаю точно и меньше мучаюсь. Ну, как бы, конечно, радостно. следим, чтобы ничего не присобиралось. Отлично, очень хорошо, все совпадает. Сейчас я первую сторону прометаю.
Our subscriber was our guest today. She said that she started sewing because she could not find clothes that she liked anywhere in the mass market. It was not satisfied with either the price or the quality or the material. And so she started sewing. And she thanked me and my work very much. I always enjoy such comments because I'm doing courses and this YouTube channel just so that you learn to sew and develop in this area. This is what our shirt looks like. Now I sweep the second side sleeve and the second shoulder sleeve behind the camera.
Пока сметывается вторая полочка.
Finally, you can see the fitting and the result. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial from me, and this is not enough. Wait for the next video with this shirt. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!